So these are the rear brakes. Pretty simple. You gotta, there we go. You take out these 2 pins. Once you take them out, the clip will pop out. The brake pads will slip out. Clean it all up, lube it up. Put the new pads in, and then while holding the clip in, you'll put the new pins in. I did the other side already. These are what my new pads are gonna look like. They're pretty thick. I can put a message me, or I'll put a description with the video what pads I got. And then these are like pads from the other side that I replaced, that I took out. The old ones. Let's take these ones out and then you'll see. You gotta be gentle, don't chip the paint around these. So
at first, gentle.
old pin out, and the other one is a little trickier.
See, this is where I started having a little bit harder time getting the pins out on the back, because unlike the front wheel, you can't turn the rear wheels. So because of the drive shaft and stuff in the way, it was a bit more annoying to get the rear clips out.
So I got the 2 pins out, and take it's old. You'll notice on the old clip it says up. There's an up and down. So, and the new pin, there is no up and down, but if you notice there's a notch on the bottom. This one does not have a notch, so the notch probably signifies the bottom, and then this will have to go like that. Yeah. Now it's gonna,
also, unlike me, it's probably better to put pressure on both pads in opposite directions at the exact same time.
push the pads apart, pushes them in.
Brembo. Yeah.
Not too bad, not too much rust or anything like that. Some cracking. Yeah. Now, what I'm gonna do is basically inside these, can you see them? These are like the 2 what's it called, pistons. Just gotta push them in. Mine seem to go in by my hand. They're not bad, so I just squeeze them in, and then you gotta then we're gonna clean out the grooves and then put some lube in these grooves and put the new pads in. Let's do that. Tere?
I gotta go see Papa.
You're gonna go see Papa? Put some grease in there. And a good idea is to put a little bit of that grease on the contact points as well. And like I said before, these, this means down, so it's gonna go like these. So put that on here. New pins.
It's easier to do the top first. This is awkward because of the camera. Oh.
Before I do this, let's grease up the pin. I just remember. So the first one is always easier to line up, the top one. And yeah, I'm gonna line it up. Make sure this clip sits smoothly on here. Clip down, then pin forward. There we go. Now you just want to gently tap it in. I just chipped my caliper because I was trying to rush it. So don't do that, because then if it's on the outside and it bugs you, then you're gonna have to fix it. And that's it. That's how you do your... Oh, this clip. The clip was touching the rotor, so I had to move it over. And so pins had to be lined up And then this clip should be kind of in between the two walls of the rotor. I mean caliper. Right here. Should be in the middle. And that's it. And then you put the wheel back on. Let's do that.
Steady.